Hi, babies. Who's the cutest? Who's the cutest? You guys are about 12 weeks old now, aren't you? Are you 12-week-old puppy boys? Hi, babies. Hi, sweeties. Here, come here. One of you's bigger than the other. Okay. Here, come here. Come on up here. Come on up here. Come here. Come here. You want to come up here? Come on up here. Hi, sweetie. Hi, puppies. Hi, guys. You're beautiful boys. You're very happy puppies. Who's the best? Oh, you're not very friendly. Look at this. Are you giving me kisses? Are you getting on my lap? Are you the nicest babies? Hi, sweethearts. Hi, babies. Here, let's go play ball. Whoops. Here, what about this? Look at your little toy. Do you want to play? Do you know how to play fetch? Go get it. Good boys. Good boys. Now, you love to play with the toys, don't you, babies? Don't you? Here, you want to play again? Come here, puppy boys. Come here, babies. Look. Go get it. Okay, go get it. Got it? Good job. Good job. Hi. Who's the best puppy? Who's the best? Who's the best? Who's the best puppies? You guys are so cute. Hi, babies. Hi. Who's the best?